Hi, welcome to Regents Common Core Algebra 2, also known as Trig or Algebra 2. Algebra 2 uses everything that we have learned in Algebra 1 and Geometry to analyze and solve problems. Some of the topics that we'll be covering this year are quadratic and exponential functions, rational expressions, and an introduction to trigonomic functions. At the end of the year this year, your student will be taking the Algebra 2 Regents exam. This may make them eligible for an advanced Regents diploma. My name is Mrs. Erin Everson, and it'll be my pleasure to teach, guide, and instruct your student in mathematics this year. This is my 15th year at Mid-Lakes. I also help advise the National Honor Society, the Junior Class, and Interact Club. Note packets and independent practices will be provided both digitally and with paper this year. A graphing calculator is also a must. I highly recommend the 83 or the 84. And your student also has the option of borrowing one from the school. A permission slip has been posted on Schoology, and I have talked to the students about how to do this. So what our classroom will look like this year. So whether your student meets with me on Monday, Thursdays, or Tuesday, Fridays, we will meet via Zoom where I will teach 1 to 2 topics during that time. They may also have some activities or assignments that need to be completed. At the conclusion of this synchronous lesson, they will usually have time to work on their independent practice assignments. I remain on Zoom at this time to help, assist, and answer questions. All work that is done is submitted through Schoology. On Wednesdays, they will have an asynchronous lesson, meaning that they will complete an assignment or task independently. I will post my office hours that I'm available in the morning, most likely between 10:30 and 12. While we are remote, all materials for this course can be found on Schoology. I will post weekly updates about what we are doing for the week and my office hours. In the Materials tab, you will find the materials organized by the week. Your student's grade will be calculated as 60% from assessments and 40% from other coursework. So just to note that Schoology also has a gradebook on it, but this is not the gradebook that we will be using for the course. School Tools where you can find an updated average. So some things that you can do to help your student be successful in Algebra 2 this year, and none of them involve you doing Algebra 2. So please encourage your students to help or to complete all their assignments to the best of their ability, then ask questions and seek help when they don't understand. Also, please encourage them to seek help outside of class. The office hours on Wednesdays will be posted, and they're often given time once the lesson is completed to start working on their assignments. Before a unit test, I usually give a mixed practice assignment. This is where we have a chance to do practice from the unit all mixed up together. We also make study guides before a test that list out the important vocabulary, formulas, and steps that they should know. They should be looking this over. These will also be helpful for the midterm and the final exam or the Regents exam. I also have the videos of my lessons posted on Schoology. If they miss class, or it was particularly difficult for them, they're more than welcome to go back and rewatch the lesson. So I thank you for taking the time to listen and be involved in your students' Algebra 2. Again, my name's Erin Everson. Please don't hesitate to contact me at any time through email or calling the school. Thank you.